how to fix Delta Force 2 not working properly on PS5. So first, what you gotta do is to click on settings here. Once you select settings, then I suggest going into system, then system software, and choose system software update and settings. Here you want to click on update system software and update using the internet. Now make sure you have the latest version of your system software. Once we have done this, we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be going into users and accounts. Here we're going to select other, restore licenses, and here you just want to find Delta Force, check it, and click on restore. Once you have restored the license for the game itself, it's going to be fairly quick. We can proceed to the last step, which is going to be going into screen and video. Here we want to go and scroll down until we see HDR, and if it says always on, change this to on when supported or off, and see if that fixes issues you may experience with Delta Force 2. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.